Empty walls, screaming silence loud. Dreams of a home where hearts are proud. Building from scraps with hands worn bare. 2.5 like dreams in the heavy air. Light it up, let the walls breathe life. Cut through the chaos with hammer and knife. Every time, every frame, every light we own. Roots where the seeds are sown. Bankra streets hum with restless feet. Dreams stitched together where struggles meet. Designing futures from a faded plan. Hope in the dust of an honest man.